In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password protection from your Shopify online store, ensuring that your store is open and accessible to your visitors. It's a straightforward process, but we'll go through each step carefully to avoid any confusion. First, you'll want to head over to Shopify. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in already, simply enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the menu on the left-hand side, which is your gateway to managing different aspects of your online store. Among these options, you'll see Online Store. Click on this link. It will expand a submenu that includes various sections of your online store. Next, we're focusing on making your store accessible, which means we need to address any password protection still enabled. Under your online store settings, look for the section that deals with the storefront password. Shopify often automatically places a password on new stores until you're ready to launch, which ensures your store stays private until everything is set up properly. If you're ready to go live, it's time to make that change. The interface will guide you to a section named Edit Password. Here, you'll find the option to remove this protection. Simply click on Remove Password, and your store will no longer be hidden from visitors. This is a crucial step in going live as it allows customers to browse and purchase from your shop without barriers. However, if you find that the Remove Password option isn't available, don't worry. Just head on over to the Preferences section in the same menu. Sometimes you'll notice that the option is unavailable because your plan might still be locked for certain features. If this is the case, you'll need to choose a Shopify plan that suits your business needs. Shopify offers various plans with different features, so make sure to select one that fits your current business requirements and unlocks your store's full potential. With your store now password-free, you ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers, making it easy for them to access and browse your products without any hindrance. Remember, managing the visibility of your store is crucial as it directly impacts the customer experience, and your store must be updated and accessible. And that's it. You've successfully removed the password protection from your Shopify store and it's officially open for business. Keep in mind that maintaining an open store is just the beginning. You'll also want to focus on marketing, SEO, and stock management moving forward to drive traffic and manage your sales effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Happy selling!